Samsung has determined to phase out the A74, making the Galaxy A54 the company's top-tier A-series phone. The device will be formally released on March 16th, but we already know a lot about it. Now let's have a look at the design and features that Samsung has added to their top A-series phone. The A54 will use the same camera configuration as its larger and more costly sibling, the S23, with neat individual camera cutouts. Yet the lenses of the A54 are a tad smaller. On the front, the phone has some thick bezels, so that's a huge trade-off. The phone is likewise built entirely of plastic, with the exception of the rear, which is now made of glass. Despite this, there is no wireless charging. It features a slightly smaller 6.4 display with a 120 Hz refresh rate and Super AMOLED. In addition, the frame is rounder this time, comparable to its S-series predecessor. By comparing the A54 and A53, you can see that the A54 now has one less camera, which isn't always a negative thing. Because that second camera is the depth sensor, which adds little value when compared to the primary camera. It's about time Samsung got rid of that item. Samsung is also hinting significant advancements in night photography, both stills and videos. This phone will have a large battery capacity, much more than the S23 Ultra. It will also have a 5100 mAh battery, which is 100 mAh more than the S23 Ultra and its predecessor, the A53. While the CPU and display are not as resource-intensive as its flagship brother, anticipate long battery life on this phone. The Galaxy A54 will be equipped with the Exynos 1380 chipset, a 5nm CPU that delivers a 50% increase in multi-core speed and a 20% increase in GPU performance over the A53. If you're curious, the Exynos 1380 has the same performance as the Snapdragon 778G. On top of Android 13, the phone will ship with One UI 5. Additional features include an IP67 certification for water resistance and a micro SD card slot for expandable storage, which is becoming more rare. The memory begins at 8 GB, which is the same as the S23. There is no headphone jack here, however it includes Wi-Fi 6 for quicker internet rates. It will be available in black, lime green, purple, and white. It will be cheaper in certain areas and more costly in others, according to leaked prices for a few markets. Prices might change at any time, so it's best to wait until March 16th. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.